Welcome back to AI Brief, episode 71. I'm Amin, and with me as always is Leah. We're diving deep into the latest AI developments today.
It feels like AI is everywhere now, Amin. It's not just a futuristic concept anymore.
You're absolutely right. Take Amazon, for example. They're jumping into the AI race big time with their new hybrid reasoning model. It's part of their Nova brand.
This new model from Amazon is interesting because of the way it combines the speed of AI with a more methodical approach to problem solving. It's a bit like having a chess grandmaster who also happens to be a logistics expert.
And they're going to make it more affordable, too.
Oh, wow, that's a huge development. It could completely change the game by forcing other AI providers to make their products more affordable, too. We could see powerful AI tools becoming accessible to so many more people.
It really seems like Amazon wants to be one of the leaders in AI, especially with the release of their new Alexa Plus coming up. It's going to have so many AI enhancements.
Absolutely. And then you have Cohere for AI, who are pushing boundaries with their Aya vision.
That's the new multilingual vision model, right?
Yeah, that's the one. It's a big step forward for AI accessibility.
I can imagine a future where everyone can use AI to interact with images and videos, regardless of what language they speak. That's really what Aya Vision is all about.
And what's even more impressive is that it's not just multilingual. It actually outperforms many of the larger AI models out there.
How is that possible?
It could be the result of several things, like an innovative model architecture and a unique training dataset. But the big takeaway here is that with Aya Vision, we're seeing AI becoming more powerful and more accessible at the same time.
It's even available as open source on platforms like Kaggle and Hugging Face.
Exactly. Developers and researchers from all over the world can contribute to its development. This kind of collaboration is key to realizing the true potential of AI.
And speaking of realizing potential, what about OpenAI's NextGenAI consortium?
They're committing a significant amount of money, $50 million to be exact, to support research and education in key areas of AI.
Areas like reducing the amount of time it takes to diagnose rare diseases and digitizing historical texts.
They're giving research grants and compute resources to some of the top institutions in the world. They're even providing access to OpenAI's APIs. It's really about giving the next generation of AI innovators the tools and resources they need to succeed.
It's an investment in the future of AI. It's not just about giving money, it's about making AI an integral part of research and education.
Exactly. These kinds of initiatives are essential for a thriving AI ecosystem. And it's not just big companies like Amazon and OpenAI that are making waves.
You're right, the AI world is so dynamic. Take Salesforce, for instance. They just launched Agent Exchange, the first marketplace for AI agents.
It's like having a library of specialized AI agents ready to take on any task imaginable. Imagine having access to AI agents that can automate complex tasks, boost your productivity, and free up your time for the things that really matter.
Some researchers are even pushing the limits of AI problem solving by using video games like Super Mario.
Yeah, it's really fascinating. They're training AI models to play these games and learn how to navigate complex situations. They're essentially using these video games as virtual training grounds for AI. These games provide a structured environment that's perfect for testing AI algorithms.
It seems like every major tech company is in the AI game now. Even Microsoft has a new AI agent that's designed to boost sales team productivity.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. This AI can handle all kinds of tasks. It can research leads, schedule meetings, and even manage some basic sales communication.
It's basically like having a personal assistant who never gets tired.
That's one way to put it. And because the AI can handle all those routine tasks, the human salespeople can spend more time building relationships and closing those big deals.
It's AI working alongside humans to achieve more together. And speaking of AI enhancements, Apple's new iPad Air has the M3 chip.
That new chip really boosts the AI processing power. We can probably expect to see some really amazing AI-powered apps on Apple devices soon.
Like even more sophisticated video and photo editing tools.
Exactly, and things like smarter language translation features and even more immersive gaming experiences.
It's not just the big players like Apple and Microsoft who are making waves, though.
You're right. There are tons of smaller companies and independent developers who are coming up with super innovative AI tools.
Like Scribe.
Yeah, Scribe is a great example. It can help you grow your LinkedIn following.
It's like having a social media guru in your pocket.
And then for the developers out there, there's Prism.
Does Prism help developers improve their code?
Kind of. It helps you compare your company's performance to industry benchmarks.
So you can see where you can improve and increase efficiency.
Exactly. And there are all these new AI-powered personal assistants too, like Concierge.
What can Concierge do?
Oh, it interacts with a whole bunch of apps. Things like your email, Slack, even HubSpot.
It's like having a digital assistant who can handle anything.
That's a good way to think about it. And for marketing, there's Nabeek.
What does Nabeek do?
Nabeek uses AI to create hyper-personalized marketing campaigns.
So you can get the most out of your marketing efforts.
Exactly. Then you have Pieces, which can help you boost your efficiency.
How to do that?
It helps you capture and resurface your past workflows.
So you never lose track of what you're working on.
That's the idea. These are just a few of the new AI tools that are out there. It seems like there are new ones emerging every day.
It's really starting to feel like we're only scratching the surface of what AI can do.
I agree. The variety and accessibility of these tools is really remarkable. AI is becoming more and more accessible for everyone.
And the rate of innovation is incredible.
Like Data Science Agent, which automates data analysis.
That sounds useful. What else is out there?
Well, there's Async Flow v1.0, a text-to-speech AI with a huge selection of voices.
Wow, that's impressive. And what about that new AI agent from Opera?
You mean Browser Operator?
Yeah, that's it. Does it operate your web browser for you?
It actually helps you complete tasks within your browser.
Cool. So many new ways to streamline our workflow. What about Pieces long-term memory?
It's designed to capture and resurface your past work. It's like having a superpowered memory bank.
We talked about marketing earlier. Are there any new AI tools for online stores?
Oh yeah, there's Nara.
Or,
Yeah, it's an AI-powered digital sales associate. It's helping online stores enhance their customers' experience.
sounds useful.
Yeah.
Any new tools for developers?
There's Retool. It's a low-code platform that developers can use to build internal software really quickly.
So they can create powerful applications without having to write as much code.
That's right. It's all about making development faster and cheaper.
It really is an incredible time to be following the world of AI.
It's really remarkable how democratized AI is becoming. It's not just big companies and research institutions anymore.
You're right. Open source models, affordable cloud computing, user-friendly AI tools. Anyone can start experimenting with AI.
It's really fueling so much innovation. We're seeing amazing contributions from individuals, small startups, even students.
It does feel like we're entering a new era. AI is becoming more and more integrated into our lives. It's exciting, but a little overwhelming at the same time.
I agree. We're seeing just how much AI can achieve, but we need to be thoughtful and critical about how we develop and use it.
Absolutely. As AI becomes more powerful and widespread, we have to consider the ethical implications.
We need to watch out for bias, ensure transparency, and prioritize human well-being above all else.
It's a powerful tool. Ultimately, it's up to us to guide its development in a direction that benefits humanity as a whole.
I completely agree. The future of AI is in our hands.
Well, Leah, I think that wraps up our deep dive into the latest AI advancements. We covered a lot today, from Amazon's big move into the AI race to Cohere for AI's amazing multilingual vision model.
We also talked about OpenAI's NextGenAI consortium and all the exciting new AI tools that are changing how we work and live.
If you enjoyed today's deep dive, be sure to share it with anyone who might be interested in the latest developments in AI.
And don't forget to follow AI Brief for more fascinating deep dives into the world of artificial intelligence.
Until next time, stay curious.